You can take care of your car at home with simple day-to-day maintenance, but you have to know when you need a car repair expert to handle the situation. That is why today at Home Service Guide Pro, we brought some helpful tips to keep your car running. Let's start with the lifeblood of your car, oil. Most people recommend changing it every 5,000 miles, but this can vary depending on your vehicle and the type of oil being used. We suggest checking it periodically. Next up, your tires. If it's been a long time since you last changed them, or if it's pretty obvious that your tire's tread is wearing, find your nearest tire company with Home Service Guide Pro. And here's a tip. Rotate your tires every 3,000 miles. The wear of front and back tires is very different, so rotating your tires will balance the loads. Your windshield is vitally important. Keep it as clean as possible. Change the windshield wipers occasionally to protect your windshield. This can be any time you start to see streaks or the rubber on the blades becomes brittle. You could be charged around $300 for a brand new windshield. It is worth the extra safety for your driving. Check and change your coolant when needed to protect your engine. Make sure to always use the same coolant reference. Otherwise, you could cause serious damage to your car. The fifth tire or spare tire is as important as the others. Make sure it's inflated and at the correct tire pressure as well. It's suggested to check the pressure of all your tires once a month. Sometimes you'll need an auto repair expert. Visit your mechanic regularly for brief inspections and ask if anything is needed. It could be way more expensive to repair than to prevent. And besides making your car work at its best, we also want to keep you and your loved ones safe on the road. Here's some additional advice. Take care of your car and it will take you where you want. Find a local auto repair, auto glass, and tire company near you at Home Service Guide Pro today.